I live in one of the most protected islands in the world. An island where nature wakes up before people. Here, the ocean decides the rhythm, and we learn to follow. My name is Daniela. I am Brazilian. I live in Fernando de Noronha, a small Brazilian island in the Atlantic Ocean. It's about 500 kilometers from the Brazilian coast. Flights leave mainly from Recife in northeastern Brazil. It's far from the continent, and maybe that distance is part of its magic. Fernando de Noronha is a UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site. Not because it is beautiful, but because it is hard. Protection here is not a label, it's a daily practice. Here, rules are not about control, they are about care. You don't touch animals, you don't take shells, you don't cross invisible lines. Every rule is a reminder you are visiting someone else's home. Sometimes the sea is calm, sometimes it closes. When the sea closes, food arrives late, packages don't arrive, plans change, and slowly you learn flexibility is survival. Yes, it's beautiful, but beauty here is not comfortable. Life is expensive. Resources are limited. The internet disappears. This is not luxury, it's adaptation. One of its beaches, Baía do Sancho, had been voted several times the most beautiful beach in the world by TripAdvisor. But beauty here is not made to be consumed. It's made to be respected. This island gives something hard. Perspective. You learn that humans are not the center. Nature is. I have lived here for many years. This island shaped my voice, my writing, my patience. It's not an easy place, but it's a true one. Fernando de Noronha is not just a destination, it's a lesson. And once you learn it, you never forget. Here, there are many ways to stay, from very simple guest houses to luxury inns overlooking the sea. Some people come for comfort, others come for simplicity, but everyone in the end shares the same islands. Fernando de Noronha is not made only of visitors. There are fishermen, workers, teachers, cooks, divers, drivers. People who wake up early, work hard, and build life between land and sea. Paradise also has a routine. About 70% of this island is protected National Marine Park. Here, protection is not symbolic, it's real. Nature has boundaries, and humans respect them. That's why the island still breathes. Fernando de Noronha is a safe place. There are no robberies, no fear in the streets. People leave keys in the cars, doors unlocked, trust alive. Safety here is not enforced, it's cultural. Living like this changes you. You slow down. You look people in the eyes. You breathe deeper. You remember what community feels like. Fernando de Noronha is not just protected by law, it is protected by choices, daily choices. And living here teaches you something simple and powerful. When you protect what matters, life becomes lighter.